welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go over the markets. I hope everyone had a great trading day. Equity markets were down across the board today. So Dow was down, not by a lot. All right, 0.06%. NASDAQ was down. S&P was down. And also the Russell was down. All right. Big picture, guys. Big picture. Buy signal on the weekly time frame on the Dow is still intact. All right. So with all-time highs. All right. All-time highs on the Dow. Right. All green candles. Buyers are definitely still in control. All right. So that's the Dow. The NASDAQ. All right, NASDAQ, guys, this is the all-time high here. And here we are, right? Still hasn't broken the all-time high on the NASDAQ, but still really good price action. All right, buy signal was here, trading all the way up here. The last time we made an all-time high was the end of 2021, which is right here. But one big push, all right, we can get past resistance here, all right. We won't even call this resistance, just a high. It's forming resistance here, but really a high. And we break through, we'll be in all-time highs territory on the NASDAQ. The S&P did break out, all right, did break out right here. Now here was the previous all-time high, all right. And here we've got 5,000. 5,000 is a big number for traders to watch. So S&P 5,000 right here, close today at 5,006, 5,069. All right. The Russell still holding. All right. So it's been trading between support and resistance right here. It's trying to break out, but still under some pressure here. Right at resistance here. So no big move in the Russell. As far as the yen, all right, so pound yen, we've been talking about the move in pound yen, guys. And you can see here, pound yen been moving higher. Buy signal all the way down here. Now, this on the weekly time frame, but it is breaking, making new highs here on pound yen. All right. Let's take a look at current positions. All right. Current positions. We call the short right here on the US 30. That short closed. All right. So this short here, the US 30 closed. All right. Let me open this up. All right. So sell short signal here, buy to cover. All right. Buy to cover here. So we should be out of this trade. Now we could, if it breaks through, I would say down in this area here, we could get another sell short signal. All right. But for right now, we should be out of that trade. All right. The S&P also has a sell short. Now we didn't call this short here. All right. A lot of consolidation here. All right. So that's the SP 500. And the NASDAQ also has a short. No, we didn't call this one. All right. But a lot of consolidation. Now, this one here, if you guys look here, this is the concern here. Now, that doesn't mean it can't go lower, right, in the markdown phase, but you got pretty good support here. There's a good chance, all right, and the overall trend is still long up, all right, so there's a good chance buyers could come back in, all right, this short could get squeezed, and all of a sudden we're testing resistance up here, all right, so this short trade should be a quick short trade, all right, take your profits, all right, and get out because overall trend is up. All right, so just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. All right, current positions. Current positions. Let's go through current positions in Monster Scalper for Forex. Current positions in Forex. All right. In Monster Scalper. Swiss yen, buy signal here, and it's currently breaking out. We've been waiting for this pair here to break through that resistance, right? We have really strong resistance right here, all right? Lots of consolidation, been consolidating for quite some time, and finally it looks like, right, price can break out. Let's bring in a trend line. All right, so here's your trend line here. Price is looking to break out. All right, all right. Dollar yen, USD JPY. All right, still holding right at resistance, guys. Buy signal here, and look here, traders are holding it right here, right at resistance, right here. We just need buyers to break through that resistance here. Again, buy signal all the way down here. All right, Euro yen. Right, Euro yen, good trade going here. Buy signal here, guys. This is for about, let's see here, about 300 pips so far on this trade. Buy signal here, all green candles, nothing to do, right? Holding here, right? Euro yen, and then we mentioned pound yen, right? Pound yen close, guys. All right, so close the trade for pound yen. Let's see. Right, so two great trades. Previous trade, let's open this up. Open this up big. All right, so two great trades in pound yen. You guys know we love to trade pound yen. All right, so two great trades. First trade was here, right? Buy signal here was at 182, closed at 187. So that's about 500 pips roughly. All right. Next buy signal came right here, right here. Great buy signal here at 187. All right. And change and closed here 190. So that's about 300 pips. So, guys, total these two trades, all right. What's that? Eight 800 pips, guys, these two trades. And this started in January the 3rd. All right. So what, a couple of months, right? 800 pips or so. So great, great trading with pound yen. All right. We'll wait. Hopefully we get another buy signal. All right. And we'll take it up again. Right. It's breaking out, guys, breaking out on the weekly time frame. All right, so making all-time highs. Euro Aussie buy signal here, broke through our resistance here, so good trade going here. All right, Euro Aussie, good trade going. We'll bring in a trend line to support this trade here. All right, all green candles, nothing to do there. Let it run. All right, that's Euro, Aussie, and Pound Aussie. Let's take a look at Pound Aussie. Almost identical, guys. Look at the previous trade here. All right, previous trade did really, really well. All right, this was for about from here to here. All right, that's about almost 500 pips there also from here to here. Good trade here. Hopefully, we get another move. All right, so buy signal right here, all green candles, and we getting past resistance here. Let's bring in a trend line. Bring in your trend lines. This will help you stay in the trade. All right. So markdown phase, markup phase, buy signal, all right, breaking out, breaking resistance here. All right. And great trading once it breaks out. All right. All right. We have a couple of shorts in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at those. All right, short positions in Monster Scalper. USD SEK, USD SEK. That closed, guys. So the short closed. All right, so close the trade, please. If anyone is in it. Sell short signal was here, right here. Green candle, broke resistance, buy to cover. So close the trade, please. All right. Dollar SEK close. We'll take a look at the dollar index, see how it's doing. All right, so USD SEK close that trade. Same thing for USD DKK. Sell short signal was here. All right, the big candle, green candle here. All right, close the trade. We do have sellers coming back in. All right, but it's choppy right here. Right, if we get another sell short signal, we'll see. All right, but very choppy trading. Look here. Look at the markup phase. Very choppy. All right, so dollars SEK close the trade. Dollar DKK close the trade, please. All right. All right. So let's take a look at long positions in Forex Dominator. We'll take a look at equities this evening. All right. Forex Dominator, daily time frame here. Long positions. All right, EURTRY, guys, finally breaking up. Look at that. All right, slowly, right, consolidated here for a long time, right at resistance here, just held resistance, finally breaking out. Okay, so big trade going here, buy signal all the way down here, and system is still holding that trade. All right, USD continuing to slowly move higher. Very, very difficult trading here as far as these candles here. It's just very, very slow. I wouldn't say difficult. It's an easy trade, but just waiting for these trades to move higher. Take some patience there. All right. EUR CZK long in Forex Dominator. Buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, broke resistance right here, and continuing to move higher. We need buyers to test the highs here, resistance right here, and keep moving higher. Okay. USD CZK. All right, dollar pairs. Dollar pairs. Now, Forex Dominator guys did an amazing job not closing these dollar pairs. Okay, so we're seeing buying coming back into the dollar pairs. Let's take a look at the dollar index to see what's going on here. Dollar index. All right, so here's the dollar index. All right, dollar is currently up, trading at 103. All right, this was a concern. Purple support and resistance, lower highs, lower lows, buy signal here. We got some white candles, but here we are. Buyers are coming back in, green candles. That's a good sign. All right, our goal is still to get to resistance up here. All right. If the dollar continues to move higher, the dollar index, that will help these dollar pairs here. Okay. All right, so USD dollar CAD, a buy signal here, moving up nicely. This looks very similar, all right, to that dollar index. All right, so dollar CAD, big buyers came in today. All right, hopefully we can get to resistance up there. Dollar CAD, dollar Swiss now. All right, buy signal here, same thing. Good markdown phase. Our goal is to, at a minimum, get to resistance here. USD CNH. USD All right, buy signal here, right, trading right at resistance. We need to break through that resistance line here. Now remember, these are on the daily time frame, so we've got to give them time. USD CZK, buy signal here, just holding resistance. We need buyers to break through that resistance. Now it did pull back, right? It did pull back. We do have sellers sitting here. All right, so we need buyers to come back in and then test resistance up here. All right, USD CZK, USD DKK. All right, a bit of a pullback here. Holding. We need buyers to again move, continue to move higher, test resistance. All right, get past these sellers. Sellers are sitting here heavy. All right, just waiting. All right, if we can get past this area, then perhaps we'll go ahead and add another level here. But just remember, one candle at a time. So the goal is to get past this area target here. USD DKK. Okay. USD HUF. USD HUF. Good price action. Buyers came in today. Look at that. Big, nice big candles. We love these. All right, buy signal here, and target is right here. First target, we do have sellers sitting here and here, waiting to push that price lower, lower here. Here we are, right, heading towards. If we can get past this area here, nothing is stopping us from getting all the way up here. All right, so we don't have any consolidation, right, in this markdown phase right here. All right, consolidation in here, not here. All right, so good price action. Target is here. USD HUF, USD SGD, USD SGD. Buy signal here. All right, buyers are coming back in after some consolidation here. These white candles. All right, green candles coming in, looking to test resistance here. Remember, this is where sellers are sitting, guys. Right here, right here, right here, even right here. Here we are again, right, to test that resistance. Think of that resistance as a ceiling. All right, so we need to break through and to get to perhaps next target all the way up here. All right, if we can get up to that area up in here, that's for a lot of pips, guys. 700-800 pips. This on the daily time frame. Okay, CAD yen. All right, CAD yen. All right, trading right at resistance here. Right at resistance. Pound yen. So pound yen, he's breaking out. Look at that. Pound yen, daily time frame. Buy signal here, bit of a pullback, holding, moving up nicely there. Pound yen. HKD JPY, that's your Hong Kong yen. Right, buy signal here, just holding. Right. Anything can happen here, guys. All right, sellers could come in right here, just like they did before, or we can break out. All right, we would like to break out. All right, that's HKD JPY. SGD JPY, Singapore dollar yen. All right, same thing. Buy signal here, just holding dollar yen. All right, same thing. Buy signal here, just holding. These look identical. Look at that. HKD JPY. All right, looks the same chart right here. Look at that. Right here. All right, these will follow each other. SGD JPY, see that right here, guys? Look at that price action here, almost identical. All right, dollar yen right here. Look at that price action, amazing. So you don't have to trade all three. You can find one. All right, that will minimize your risk there. Okay. All right. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie buy signal here, bit of a pullback, got some good price action here. All right, so big candle here today. All right, close today, new candle coming in here. Big candle broke resistance, so clear break of resistance. We just need to hold, and buyers need to continue to push higher. Okay, that's pound Aussie, pound Swiss, pound Swiss. Good markdown phase. Buy signal is right here and it's holding. We need to get to a resistance here. All right, we do have a lot of resistance right here. So this might be an area where price takes a break. All right, if it can break through, then next resistance up here. All right, so good trades, guys. So nothing major to change with the current positions. Okay. All right. Monster futures, we've got some long positions, no shorts. All right. So this is crude oil, guys. We have a buy signal here. All right. Still holding, nothing to change. Green candles. So we just need price to continue to move higher. That's crude oil. Lean hogs. Oh, I almost forgot. We'll take a look at crypto this evening too. Bitcoin made a big move, guys. We've been talking about Bitcoin. All right. And we've been saying, hey, Bitcoin might make a move to 63,000 next week. All right. It looks like it'll make that happen this week. All right. Lean hogs, buy signal here, bit of a pullback, moving up nicely here. All right. You guys can see that. Open it up right here. All right. So lean hogs. Right, S&P continuing to hold up here. We do have a purple support and resistance here on the S&P, so keep that in mind. Live cattle, buy signal here, still holding. Okay. Um, let's take a look at Bitcoin here. All right, guys, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 61,000. All right, just an amazing trade. All right, we had two buy signals. First buy signal was at 28,000. Our sell signal to exit, close the trade was at 40,000. All right, so 28,000 to 40,000. The current buy signal was at 49,000, and here we are at 60,000. Just amazing trading. Now, Bitcoin on the show you guys the weekly time frame here. Here is the all-time highs on Bitcoin right here. This is where it closed, guys, before 64,000, right? Right here, 64,000 is where it closed, right here. We don't count this, right? This is where it closed, 64,000. And here we are at 61,600 on Bitcoin. Just an amazing run, straight up. All right, this is a weekly. Every candle here is a weekly worth of data, guys. I mean, this run started. The buy signal came in. This on the weekly time frame now at 28,000. We would not have traded it on the weekly time frame. This was back in what's that? January, March of 2023, but it really took off right here on this week, which is what October of last year. And look at that. I mean, just a big move all the way up. We'll see what Bitcoin does here. All right. So if it breaks through that resistance or even consolidates in this area here, all right, that would be great. Okay. If it consolidates and hold, kind of like this price action here, kind of like this price action here, all right, it will need to hold. All right. All right. We don't need it to do this. All right. Just hold. We could see Bitcoin perhaps get much higher, guys. Right? Much higher, 60,000. If it holds and breaks through the all-time high here, we could see Bitcoin getting to 75, 80, 90,000. All right. Perhaps 100,000. Okay. We don't know, right? Who knows? But boy, I tell you, this getting out of this area here creates a whole new trend. All right. So we've got big support down here, which is about 10,000. But even right here, we've got pretty good support at about 27,000. So here is your box. If it gets out of this box here, right, support and resistance here, here is resistance, here is support. If it gets out of this area, this is where it failed before. Sellers came in heavy, So if it could break past this area here, guys, we're talking about a whole new, a whole new, whole new possible, whole new move for Bitcoin. All right. This candle here, this one candle this week here, right, opened, right? This candle opened at 51,000, right around here, 51,000, and now it's at 61,000. Okay, so amazing move, big move, big move. All right. All right. So hopefully you guys are capturing some of that move. All right. Even if you put it on a smaller time frame, you can certainly capture some of that move. Okay. All right. We'll take a look at equity stocks tomorrow. I want to go through Monster Scalper, see what's going on there. We'll take a look at our Forex tracker. All right. So we've got volatility. All right. Not a lot of volatility, about 50% movement on the daily time frame. 240, guys, look at this. A lot of movement, even on your 60-minute time frame. All right. A lot of opportunities. So keep an eye on that. Things are still mixed on our radars here. What we like to see is solid. We like to see solid blue or solid red. So it's still mixed. Okay. So, but let's go through this, see if we can find some opportunities there. So we are long in Monster Scalper. We are basically long the yen, euro, couple of shorts in the dollar. All right, we'll go through this quickly and then get you guys out of here. All right, so we're looking for longs, guys, longs only. No, we don't have a rotation. All right, see here. All right, all scattered in here. So no real rotation. All right, we're starting to see some selling in here. All right, but so we just have to pick and choose here. All right, Aussie, New Zealand. This is the one, guys. We put in our markdown phase, and we were waiting for this one. All right. So Aussie, New Zealand. We'll add this one here. All right, but keep in mind we don't have a rotation, so this is just an individual trade. All right, individual trade here. So Aussie, we do. So here's your markdown phase. All right, big candles came in here. All right, buy signal, and it's still holding. Right, still holding right near its buy signal. So we'll call this one AUDNZ. D long in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. Nothing here. All right. All right. This one closed already. Let's remove this. This was one of the ones we were in this one already. Swiss yen. Right? Are we in Swiss yen? Yes, we're in Swiss yen already. Dollar pairs. Nothing here. SGD, USD, SGD. That's high in the markup phase. We'll wait on this. Purple support and resistance. That's never good. Nothing here. USD, NOK. Let's call this USD, NOK. Long. The dollar is trying to make another move higher. So, no, this is not in the markdown phase. So, a bit tricky. All right, we're just trying to find some trades here. All right, so here is your markdown phase, but it's high up here, guys. So it's not coming from down here. Okay, so just be careful. We have a lot of purple in here. So get a sell signal. All right, close that trade quickly here. All right, the nice thing is we have resistance right here and decent candles forming. All right, so here we are here. buy signal here. All right. Let's open it up here. You guys can see that buy signal, right? Candles are holding. We need to get to resistance here. All right. Now, if the dollar index makes a move, all right, if we get help from the dollar index, that will help this trade here. And we're starting to see buyers come in. We have a new up here. So that's encouraging. USD and OK long. Did we look at it? Okay, yeah. USD HUF, still near its buy signal. So we'll add this one too. And this is encouraging here. All right, so USD HUF long in monster scalper. Okay. All right, let's draw it out. All right, here is our resistance right here. And here we are right here. Buy signal here. Right, it's not too far. The buy signal. Now, ideally, guys, we want these coming from the bottom, right? Okay, but the dollar's had some decent trades. This is a good trade here, so we could see some continuation. Is what we hope. If it fails, no big deal. Close the trade. Okay. So buy signal here. Here we are testing resistance, and it's nice when the buyers are holding right here. They're not letting that price drop. Right? They're holding it right here. All right. USD HUF. USD HKD. All right. That's gone a little bit. Let's see here. All right. We're going to call this one here. A little different setup. We do have a trend line. It's breaking resistance right here. All right, this is where sellers came in, but what's nice is it's breaking out. It hasn't gone too far. How many pips is that? About 40 pips or so, 30, 40 pips. All right, we'll add this one. USD HKD. Long in monster scalper. Okay. All right. USD DKK. All right, nothing here. CZK, nothing. Wait on CZK. Wait on these guys. All right. Nothing wrong with waiting on these pullbacks. All right. This is where we get a good price. USD CNH. All right. Let's add this one here. Choppy, but not bad trading here and here. If we can get past the high here, all right. And if the dollar holds, we had the pullback right here. This retracement here. Here is our V. Right here. All right. All right. We just need that candle here to come on up. All right, but we'll call it USD CNH. A long in monster scalper. Okay. All right. Dollar Swiss, nothing here. Nothing here. All right. Here was a previous trade here. Good, not a bad trade. All right. If it breaks through that resistance here, guys, give a buy signal. That might be an opportunity there. Dollar CAD. All right. We'll add dollar CAD. It's still fairly close. Now, dollar CAD is going to get past resistance here. Okay. But we'll go ahead and add that. USD CAD. It will bring it down right here for now. But this whole area here is going to get past that area. Okay. All right. So buy signal here. It's gone a little bit, guys. Let's see here. That's about 40 pips. Oh. We'll call it, if you guys trade it, just trade it lightly, okay? It does look good for a breakout there, right? Big, nice big candles. Look at this, right? Buyers are really jumping in, and it's holding right at resistance. That's always good. So USD CAD, long in Monster Scalper, okay? But I would trade lightly in this one. All right, let's keep going. We're almost done. Euro SEK setting up. So is PLN. Euro New Zealand. All right, look at that. All right. Um, Too far gone though. Euro, what's that? What's this one here? HUF, that's gone. Okay, good trade going here. All right. Pound, Euro pound, not yet. All right. Euro, Euro CAD. We missed this one here, guys. Euro CAD. We caught Euro Aussie, but Euro CAD, that's gone. Look at this. This one went all the way to its target. Look at this. This is why we draw this out. Okay, here's your resistance here. All right, here is your markdown phase. Look at that, perfect. Now, choppy trading is probably why we didn't call this one, because it's very choppy, right? Look at your lines here. Look at your candles. But guess what? It still made it. Buy signal was here, made it all the way up to the trend line here. So we'll use this one, and hopefully the others will follow. All right. And if it breaks through here, the next target is all the way up here. All right. So you see here, very choppy, very, very choppy. But guess what? It's moving. All right. So Euro, Aussie, we did call Euro, Euro, Aussie. All right. So Euro, Aussie, um, we call that already. Resistance is here. Buy signal here, moving up, breaking out. All right, support is down here. Wide support, look at that. All right, so, all right, but that euro CAD moving really well. Can't catch all of them. All right, good trade going here. All right, Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at the pound pairs, and then we'll be done. Okay, nothing here. Nothing here. Pound New Zealand, pound New Zealand. That's gone. All right. Um, here's your markdown phase, buy signal, and resistance is right here. Right. If it gets past that resistance, we can see it move much higher. Okay. A pound CAD. All right. Pound CAD. All right. Pound CAD is gone. We're in pound Aussie. This is pound CAD. We talked about Euro CAD. So there's something going on with the CAD, Canadian dollar. All right. So all right, we looked at pound CAD, Euro CAD. Now here is pound CAD making a move. If you guys missed any of these trades, you can also always go to your smaller time frames. Okay. Those of you who trade Monster Scalper with us, right? Just go to your smaller time frames here. All right, here is pound CAD. Here's on the 60-minute, guys. Look at the trading here on the 60-minute. All right, even the 30-minute time frame. All right, so just because you've missed it on the 240 doesn't mean you can't take advantage of the trade. All right. I mean, all that says is you've got good confirmation, right? On the weekly, daily, 240. All right. Certainly we can capture some moves on the smaller time frame. So just because we've missed it here, right, doesn't mean that we can't take advantage on the smaller time frame. And then pound Aussie, right there. Okay. We've got a few more minutes. I want to go through quickly. I know we haven't looked at. We're in the dollar pairs. A lot of dollar pairs in Forex Dominator long. So dollar, yen, pound, right? Euro. So let's go through this quickly. Make sure we're not missing anything here in Forex Dominator. Nothing here. We'll just look for longs. That's really all. Look at that. All blue, guys. We don't have a lot of volatility, but boy, that's a lot of blue there. All right, so let's go through this quickly. Nothing here. Nothing here. New Zealand CAD, nothing here. Let's clean this up. We'll be done in a few minutes here. I promise. New Zealand Swiss, nothing here. New Zealand dollar, nothing here. CAD yen, win CAD yen. No buy signal there. Euro yen. Okay, euro yen. All right, let's add euro yen. Okay. All right. And you guys know euro yen will move with pound yen. Okay. So here is your pullback. We need those pullbacks. Buy signal right here. No, it's gone up just a little bit. That's not much for the daily time frame there. All right, so we just need to break out buy signal right there. So EUR, JPY, long in Forex Dominator. Okay. Let's take a look at pound yen. We're in pound, yeah, we're in pound yen already. HKD, we're in HKD. NZD. I don't like this here. All right, SGD, we're in SGD. All right, dollar yen, we're in dollar yen. TRY, nothing here. ZAR yen, nothing here. All right, let's take a look at the dollar. All right, USD CAD, dollar CAD, we're in dollar CAD. Swiss, dollar Swiss, yes. CNH, yes. A lot in dollar pair, a lot of the dollar pairs. CZK, yes. HKD. All right, we're not in HKD. Can we make sense of this? You know, if the dollar moves, let's see here, very choppy here, very, very choppy. So let's see if we can make sense of this chart here. Boy. We'll pass on this one. USDHUF. Let's see here. USDHUF. All right, we're in this one already. We've called this one here. All right, looking nice there. TRY, ZAR, dollar ZAR, dollar ZAR. Right, we'll wait. Euro Aussie. All right, Euro Aussie. So we're in Euro TRY, Euro CZK. All right, we'll add Euro Aussie. Okay, guys. And we've got a fresh buy signal. Okay, that buy signal came in, when was that? Today. All right, buy signal right here, big candle. All right, we've got to get past resistance. Let's call resistance right about here. Okay. All right, so Euro Aussie. And notice Euro Yen, right? We just saw the Euro Yen. We got a buy signal. We'll call that to go long, right? In Forex Dominator. The Europeans are trying to make a move here. Euro Swiss. All right, we'll add Euro Swiss. Okay. Markdown phase. Decent markdown phase. It's on the daily time frame now. So we have to wait on these to develop. All right. So here's your V, your markup phase, buy signal here. Now, this is where buyers failed before, so be cautious. All right, right here, right? So we know we have strong resistance right here. So buy signal here. So this is an area, right? If it gets to this area, boy, keep an eye on it. All right, this is where sellers came in heavy here, here. All right, if we can get past this area, then the next area would be up here. All right, all the way up here, which where the next buy signal failed. Okay, so we're trying to move back up. All right, so EUR CHF. That's Swiss franc long in Forex Dominator. Almost done. 5 minutes. Euro CZK, we are already in this one here, right? Beautiful trade going, guys. See how? Right? We love it when they break out like this. All right, so already in that one. Euro pound, nothing here. Euro HKD, nothing here. HUF, Euro HUF, we're not in this one here. That's gone. I signal here, it's all the way up here. So don't chase them. Do not chase them. EURN, setting up nicely, guys. Good support here. Look at that. Resistance up here. All right. A nice pullback. We just need a buy signal, right? So hopefully we remember to keep an eye on that one for a buy signal. Not yet. Eurozar. Let's add Eurozar. Okay. Buy signal here, breaking out. So this is a straight breakout, all right? Right out of resistance here. We do have higher lows, higher highs. It's hard to see. But if you guys look here, here is the low, and here it is making higher highs, right? Buyers are just holding right here. So EUR. And we need a decent trade from the Euro pairs. We haven't had that in a while. So they're due for a run. Euros are long in Forex Dominator. And Euro dollar, nothing here. Swiss. Pound Swiss. We're in pound Swiss already. All right. Nothing here. Pound ZAR. We might see something in pound ZAR. All right. We'll add pound ZAR too. Okay. The ZAR pairs might make a move. They want to break out. Just know that this area here is a big resistance area there. Okay. All right. So pound ZAR. Long in Forex dominator. All right. And pound CAD. Nothing here. No buy signal yet. Pound HKD, no buy signal yet. All right. So we've got some trades, guys. All right. So we've got some trades in Forex dominator. All right. And monster scalper. All right. Tomorrow we'll take a look at equities. We'll take a look at stock boss. All right. Let's just run it. See what came up in heat seeker today. 104. All right. So they're still buying stocks. So we'll take a look at those tomorrow. And Bullmaster, let's see here, 154, guys. So they're still buying stocks, right? Market is still healthy, right? Even with a small down day, still healthy. All right, guys, thanks for coming. All right. Hope everyone have a great evening, great trading day tomorrow. Take care. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye.